Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will explore how to start with your journey. You can start with any of the roles that we discussed in the previous video. Each individually have their own learning journey, so you can simply start with the one of your choice. But I'd recommend starting with either native Android development or native iOS development first, and then move towards cross-platform application development options like React Native or Flutter. Let's talk about our first learning journey. Native Android developer. To start with native Android application development, you need to learn a programming language. Either Java or Kotlin, both are officially supported by Android. Then you need to learn Android SDK. It contains all the required libraries and tools you will need to develop an Android application. This much will get you up and running to create an Android application, but to provide a good user experience to your users, you need to follow material design guidelines, so explore that as well. There will be applications which will require you to store some data in the application's local database, so learn SQLite. I believe this is a good start for Android application development. Native iOS developer. To start with native iOS application development, you need to learn Swift. It is developed by Apple to write code for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. It is designed to work with Cocoa and Cocoa Touch frameworks. Cocoa and Cocoa Touch are application frameworks, and they provide you with libraries and APIs to build applications. You will need to learn Cocoa Touch to write applications for iPhones and iPads. To write code and run emulators, you need Xcode. This is an integrated development environment for Mac OS. It contains all the tools required by you to build awesome applications. React Native developer. Before we explore how to start with React Native, let's see what it's about. It is a framework written in JavaScript to build applications for both Android and iOS devices. The business logic code stays common, but you need to design the UI for both platforms. React Native is based on React.js principles, and React.js is a JavaScript framework. So, to begin with, you need to learn JavaScript and React.js, and only then you can start with React Native. Once you are comfortable with React Native basics, you need to learn Redux. It is a state management library to manage your application state. Flutter Developer. Let's talk about Flutter and how to get started with it. It is a software development kit released by Google in May 2018. It serves the same purpose as that of React Native. It helps you develop applications for both Android and iOS using the same code base. Flutter is written in a programming language called Dart, so you need to start by learning Dart. Once you get comfortable with Dart, you can start learning Flutter SDK. You also need to learn how to manage your application state, and for that you can learn either Redux or Block. I hope this gave you a better understanding of different journeys to be a mobile application developer. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop us a text at hello@edyoda.com. All the best for your journey. Bye and take care.